My dear students, welcome to DM Pannale Classes YouTube channel. Now we will discuss Karnataka Common Entrance Test 2019, subject Mathematics, version code C4. Okay. Now, now question number 31. The order of differential equation, the differential equation y is equal to c1 into e raised to c2 plus x plus c3 into e raised to c4 plus x is, the options are 4, 3, 2, 1. We know that one standard result, that is, the number of arbitrary constant is equal to order of a differential equation. Okay, here the number of arbitrary constant in this is equal to c1, c1, c2, c3, c4. Therefore the order of the given differential the order of differential equation is 4. Therefore the right choice of this question is a, that is 4. Okay, next move on to question number 32. If magnitude of vector A is equal to 16 and magnitude of vector B is equal to 4, then square root under magnitude of vector A cross B whole square plus magnitude of vector A dot B whole square is equal to, here we know that one standard result, this is equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. Magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B is given, that is 16 into 4 is equal to 64. Therefore the right choice of this question is a 64. Okay, next question number 33. If the angle between vector A and vector B is 2 pi by 3 and the projection of A in the direction of vector B is minus 2, then magnitude of vector A is equal to, the options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we know that projection of a vector A in the direction of vector B is equal to minus 2. Okay, we know that the definition for projection of a vector A in the direction of vector B is equal to A dot B divided by magnitude of vector B. Okay, this is equal to given, that is minus 2. We know that A dot B is equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos of angle is 2 pi by 3 divided by magnitude of vector B. Magnitude of vector B, this and this get cancelled, we get magnitude of vector A is equal to, magnitude of vector A into cos of 2 pi by 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay, here magnitude of vector A as it is, cos of 2 pi by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 is transposed to right hand side, we get magnitude of vector A is equal to 4. Therefore the right choice of this question is D, that is 4. Question number 33, question number 34. Okay, a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing the vectors I plus 2j plus k and minus 2I plus j plus 3k is, the options are like this is A option, this is B option, 3 C option, and fourth option. Okay, here the given vectors, these two vectors are perpendicular to the given option. Here we know that one note, two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product is 0. Okay, then their dot product is 0. Now we will discuss the solution of the question number 34. Okay, here I plus 2j plus k, this I plus 2j plus k, this vector is perpendicular to vector is perpendicular to this vector and this vector and this vector and this vector. Okay, here their dot product is 0, then we say that is the right choice of question number 34. Okay, here 1 into 1 or 1, sorry, okay, this is first option. Okay, this into this. Okay, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 is not equal to 0, because minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 is not equal to 0, therefore this is not right option. Okay, similarly to check option b 1 into minus 1 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into minus 1, this is equal to minus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore the right choice of this question is b, because their dot product is 0. Then we said that the vector this vector and this vector is perpendicular to each other. Because of this, the right choice of this question is b. Okay, next move on to question number 35. Scalar triple product of vector a plus vector 2 times vector b minus c, vector a minus vector b, vector a minus vector b minus vector c is equal to, the options are like this: 3 times scalar triple product of vector a vector b vector c, and 2 times of scalar triple product of vector a vector b vector c, and scalar triple product of vector a vector b vector c, and option d is 0. Okay, now okay, this is equal to, we know that the definition for scalar triple product, this vector is equal to, determinant of, this vector is equal to determinant of r1 is 1, this is 2, and minus 1 1 2 minus 1. Similarly 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, next vector c is absent, because option c is becomes absent, then 0. Similarly 1 minus 1. Okay, here we know that how to find this value, determinant of of order 3. Okay, here after simplification we get 3 into 3 times of scalar triple product of vector a vector b vector c. Therefore the right choice of this question is a, 3 times scalar triple product of vector a vector b and vector c. Okay, next move on to question number 36. F is a function from R to R, and G is a function from semi-closed interval 0 infinity tends to R, is defined by f of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to root x. Which one of the following is not true? Not true. Okay, the options are like this. Okay, okay, to check which one of the following is not true. Okay, first one, g composition of f of minus 2 is equal to, this is equal to, we know that the definition for composition of two functions. Okay, g composition of f of minus 2 is equal to g of f of minus 2. Here f of x is given, that is f of x is given, that is x square. Put x is equal to minus 2 square is what? Plus 4. G of 4 is equal to, g of x is equal to what? G of x is equal to root uh, x. Put x is equal to 4, therefore root 4 is equal to 2. Okay, this is true. And similarly to check f composition, g of 2 is equal to f of g of 2. G of x is equal to what? G of x is equal to root 2. F of root 2, f of x is equal to x square. Put x is equal to root 2, its square is 2. Okay, this is also true. And similarly f composition g of minus 4 is equal to f of g of minus 4. Okay, put x is equal to, g of x is equal to square root under x. Put x is equal to minus 4, square root under minus 4 is square root under f of square root under minus 4. Okay, f of x is equal to x square, square root under minus 4, or sometime this is equal to square root under minus 4 is equal to I times 2, I times 2, or sometime we write 2i. Okay, here this is a not a real number, this is a complex number. Okay, imagine complex numbers. Okay, this is equal to minus 4, therefore f composition g of minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Okay, this is not true. Not true. Similarly to check option okay, d, g composition f of 4 is equal to, after simplification we get 4, this is also true. Therefore the third choice is not true. Because of this, the right choice of this question is c, which is not true. Okay, f composition g of minus 4 is equal to 4. Okay, next question number question number 37. If A is given flower bracket x such that x belongs to capital N, comma x is less than or equal 5. Similarly, the set B is also given, that is flower bracket x such that x belongs to Z, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then the number of onto functions from A to B, is, the options are 32, 30, 23, 2. We know that how to write the set in roster form. A is equal to x belongs to capital N, x is less than equal to 5. Okay, here capital N shows that set of natural number. X is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 because these all numbers are less than or equal 5. Similarly, to find set b is equal to here x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to, the solutions of this quadratic equations are 2 and 3. Therefore n of a is equal to 5. We know that the definition for cardinality of any set. Similarly, n of b is equal to, here we know that one standard result, number of onto functions from a to b is 2 raised to n minus 2. Put n is equal to n of a. N of a is equal to what? 5. 2 raised to 5 minus 2. 2 raised to 5 is 32. 32 minus 2 is 30. Therefore, the right choice of this question is B, that is 30. Okay. Next, move on to question number 38. On the set of positive rationals, a binary operation star is defined by a star b is equal to 2ab by 5 if 2 star x is equal to 3 inverse. It is not a 3 raised to minus 1. This is inverse of 3 inverse. Okay, then the x is equal to, the options are like this: 125 by 48, 2 by 5, 5 by 12, 1 by 6. Okay, the solution of this question is, here we know that the definition for identity element, a star e is equal to a. Here a star b is given, that is 2ab by 5. By using this definition, to find a star e is equal to, a star e is equal to 2 into a into e divided by 5 is equal to a. This a and this a get cancelled, e is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, here we know that another one definition, that is a star b is equal to e. Here b is the inverse of a. B is the inverse of a. A star b is equal to 2ab by 5 is equal to, put a is equal to, e is equal to 5 by 2. Then b is equal to 25 by 4a. This is the inverse of a. Okay, now to find the values of x, 2 star x is equal to, 3 inverse. 2 star x is equal to 2 times 2 in 2 into 2 into x divided by 5 is equal to 3 inverse is equal to what? 3 inverse is equal to 25 by 4a. 25 by 4a. Therefore, okay, here x is equal to 4 by 5 is transposed into right hand side. We get 25 by 4a into 5 by 4. Then put a is equal to what? A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Then 125 divided by 16 into 3. 16 into 3 is equal to 48. Therefore, x is equal to 125 by 48. Therefore, the right choice of this question is A, that is 125 divided by 48. Okay, next move on to question number 39. Cos of 2 times sine inverse of 3 by 4 plus cos inverse of 3 by 4 is equal to, okay, the options are does not exist, 3 by 5, 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4. Okay, now it is given cos of sine inverse of 3 by 4. Okay, cos of 2 times of sine inverse of 3 by 4 plus cos inverse of 3 by 4. Okay, here 2 times of sine inverse of 3 by 4 can be split into sine inverse of 3 by 4 plus sine inverse of 3 by 4. Okay, we know that the properties of inverse trigonometric functions, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to what? This is equal to 5 by 2. This is equal to 5 by 2, and this sin inverse of 3 by 4 as it is. We know that cos of 5 by 2 plus sin inverse of 3 by 4 is equal to, this is equal to minus sine of sine inverse of 3 5 by 4, because 5 by 2 plus x, 5 by 2 plus theta or theta, sometimes we use theta. So 5 by 2 plus theta lie in second quadrant. In second quadrant, the sign of cos function is negative. Because of 5 by 2, the trigonometric function changes cos to sine. Therefore minus sine of sine inverse of 3 by 4 is equal to, here we know that on standard result sine of sine inverse of theta is equal to theta. Similar, by using that property, this is equal to minus 3 by 4. Therefore the right choice of this question is D. Okay, move on to next question, question number 40. If a plus 5 by 2 less than 2 times of tan inverse x plus 3 times cot inverse x less than b, then the values of a and b are respectively. Here in this case, our aim is to find the values of a and b. The options are minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2, 0 and 5 to 5, 5 by 2 and 2 5, 0 and 5. Okay, it is given. Okay, here this 2 tan inverse of x plus 3 cot inverse x can be rewritten as 2 times of cot inverse x plus cot inverse x. Again adding these two, then we get 3 times cot inverse x. Okay, here I take out common factor 2 from first two term. Okay, here this as it is, and this is 2 times of tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. We know that properties of inverse trigonometric function, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to what, 5 by 2. Then this cot inverse x as it is less than b as it is. Okay, here these two and these two get cancelled. We get a plus 5 by 2 less than cot inverse x less than b. We know that the range of cot inverse x, the range of cot inverse x is open interval 0 5. Okay, x is equal to, we take first value 0, and then to take x is equal to 5. Okay, a plus 5 by 2 is equal to 5 times cot inverse of 0. Cot inverse of 0 is what, 0. Then a plus 5 by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore a is equal to a is equal to 5 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Similarly, to take x is equal to 5, b is equal to 5 plus cot inverse of 5, sorry, cot inverse of 5. Cot inverse of 5, this value becomes 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 5. Therefore b is equal to 5. Therefore the right choice of this question is C. Okay, the right choice of this question is C, that is 5 by 2 and 2 5. Okay, thank you so much my dear students watching this video. Next videos are coming soon. ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹತ್ತತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋದು.